Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Pulaski County, Illinois, Central Alexander County, Illinois, Northwestern Ballard County, Kentucky, North Central Mississippi County, Missouri, East Central Scott County, Missouri, until 1:45 p.m. At 1:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southwest of Horseshoe Lake Conservation Area, or 7 miles northwest of Charleston, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Carroll, Mounds, Thames, Mound City, Olive Branch, Horseshoe Lake Conservation Area, Olin, Olmsted, Pulaski, and Dealstadt. This includes the following highways: Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 19. Interstate 57 in Missouri between mile markers 20 and 21. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:45 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri, Mississippi, and Scott, and the following counties in Illinois: Alexander and Pulaski, and Ballard, Kentucky.